Welcome to the Iguazu Falls, where nearly 300 waterfalls thunder through the rainforest, creating one of the most powerful and awe-inspiring sights on our planet. Bigger than Niagara, wider than Victoria, this is nature unleashed. And this is your guide to exploring it, from Brazil and Argentina. By foot, by boat, and even by air. I'll show you just how easy it is to cross the border so you can experience both sides of this natural wonder. And stay with me until the end, because beyond the falls lies a hidden wonder of water on an epic scale, the mighty Itaipu Dam. Keep watching, the story of Iguazu is only just begun. Many visitors arrive at Iguazu Falls from Sao Paulo, and it's just a short 1 hour 45 minute flight. You'll land in Foz de Iguazu on the Brazilian side, and as the plane approaches, keep your eyes peeled, because if you're lucky enough to sit on the right hand side, you'll catch glimpses of the falls themselves. So arrivals was really swift. I think we just went straight through, didn't have to do a passport check obviously because we're still in the country of Brazil. And getting the taxi was super easy, just head to the exit and there's all the taxis lining up. It's a fixed fare as we're crossing over into Argentina of around $40 US, and we need to get our passport stamped from exiting Brazil and entering Argentina. So all good so far. A bit more of a queue, not a massive one, but a bit more of a queue at the Argentinian side. So we're off to the Argentinian side of the falls this morning. So we've just been picked up at 7:30, getting there for 8 o'clock. So crack of dawn really. Well, not really, but it feels like it. We're on holiday. And it's cold this morning. So don't underestimate how cold it is in the morning, about 5 degrees. We are travelling in the month of August, which is their winter. So don't be fooled by just coming in a pair of shorts and a thin top. Bring a coat. Had to put another top on because it's parky. Once you've arrived at the park, grab yourself a coffee and head straight to Central Station. The Devil's Throat is arguably the park's main attraction, so I'd recommend heading to that circuit first, and if you can, try and grab a seat at the front of the train, because as you exit from the train you're right next to the walkway. We've just got off the train at the third exit to the Devil's Throat, and everyone legs it because they want to get the best photos without any other tourists. Where are we, Nate?
Iguazu Falls, Devil's Throat.
Where are we?
Devil's Throat.
Where are we?
Iguazu Falls.
That's where we are! The Devil's Throat is the most powerful section of Iguazu, a U-shaped chasm 82 metres high and 150 metres wide, where nearly half the river's total flow thunders down in a single deafening cascade. In fact, due to the rainfall the week before, it was estimated 1.8 million litres flowed each second over these edges. So stop number 2, which is here. So aquí, we're going to do the yellow route, which is to here, along here, look at a little cheeky waterfall, and then back round, which is 20 minutes. Around 80% of Iguazu Falls actually lies on the Argentinian side, and that's why I loved it so much. It feels far more immersive. On the lower circuit, you'll wander through trails that reveal the waterfalls from every angle. Most of the time, you're looking up at them. It's like standing in the front row of the world's most powerful shower, just without shampoo. Circuit 1, the upper circuit, was another incredible experience. This time, right on the edge of the falls. The bridge walkways lead you from one waterfall to the next, where the river looks calm and steady, and then suddenly, boom, it disappears over the edge. It's up close and personal. It's like sneaking a backstage pass to the world's biggest water concert, only with front row mist included. Next up, the boat adventure. Now, they call it a 2-hour trip, but the actual boat ride is around 30 minutes. So I have my dry bag. Ooh. Do you know what? I'm a little bit cold already and I've not even got in the water. Oh, it's going to be cold. Cold, cold. Frio.
Nice, welcome.
Thank you.
Enjoy the trip.
So heading down to the boat. So what happens is you get a transfer through the jungle on the truck that you've just seen. We decant and we get given our dry bag that you've just seen, and then we walk down here. Then I guess we get given a life jacket. We put the rest of our clothes in the dry bag, and then we find our seat on the boat. Anyway, let's see how it goes, shall we? Woohoo! The adventure begins. Going in the rapids, rapidos.
before they get wet.
And if you thought the upper circuit was up close and personal, this takes it to a whole new level. The falls just aren't in front of you, they're all over you.
Welcome to Argentina.
To wrap up our aquatic adventures, we headed back across to our hotel in Puerto Iguazu, just around the corner on Brazilian Avenue. Here you'll find plenty of local spots to sample authentic food and drink, the perfect way to dry off, refuel and toast to a day spent under the spray of Iguazu.
This is caipirinha. Ah.
Sunday.
Good boy.
Hey, day 2. Guess where we're going? We're going to the Foz do Iguaçu, Brazil side this time. Yesterday was Argentina, today Brazil. So we've left it a little bit later. We're leaving at 10 AM to avoid the queues at the border crossing. Most people have got up at 8 o'clock to get over there first. We're doing a little bit later. It's only going to take about 2 hours, we've been told, to do this particular tour. It's a lot smaller than the Argentine side. So here we are, the entrance to the Brazilian side. So this experience is completely different. Instead of being immersed among the cascades, you're looking across the Iguazu River, where you can really take in the sheer scale of the falls. The highlight is the walkway that takes you right under the Devil's Throat. It can feel more crowded here. There's really just one main route and the walkways are narrower than on the Argentinian side. But the views, well, they're nothing short of magical. One of the most unforgettable ways to see Iguazu Falls is from the air, and there's no need to book ahead. You simply arrive, pay and take a ticket and then wait about half an hour until it's your turn. Soon enough, you're out on the landing pad, the rotors whirring above, ready to climb on board. And you're treated to a bird's eye view like no other. The entire sweep of Iguazu laid out beneath you, with the mighty river winding its way through the rainforest before plunging into a thunder of mist and spray. So there you have it, 2 days exploring Iguazu, on foot, by boat and by air. And it really does show you why this is one of the new 7 wonders of the natural world. So keeping with the water theme, somewhere a little bit different today. I guess you'll have to find out in a moment. So here is the huge spillway. Not enough water today to operate it, but wow, look at that. Just beyond Iguazu Falls lies another impressive water wonder, the mighty Itaipu Dam. Spanning the Panorama River between Brazil and Paraguay, it's one of the largest hydroelectrical stations on this planet. Completed in 1984, it's a staggering feat of engineering. If you do have time after visiting the falls, it's well worth a short trip to see this incredible structure up close.